In the cozy yellow house on Maple Street, Saturday mornings were always special. That's when Whitney and her little brother Will tied on their aprons and joined Mom and Dad in the kitchen for family cooking day. The rule was simple. Everyone cooks, everyone laughs, and everyone tastes. The morning mishap. A messy start. "Let's make pancakes," Will cheered, holding the whisk like a superhero sword. Whitney grinned. "Only if I get to flip them." Mom smiled. "Deal. But remember, cooking is about teamwork, not who's the boss." As they measured flour, a puff of white powder burst into the air. "Oops," Whitney giggled. "It's snowing inside." Will sneezed. "Achoo! Pancake snow!" Dad laughed. "The best recipes begin with a little mess." Mom winked. "And a lot of love." Lesson 1. Patience is the secret ingredient. Whitney poured the batter too fast and it splattered everywhere. "Whitney," Will groaned, "you're making pancake puddles." Mom handed them paper towels and said gently, "Cooking and life take patience. Slow and steady makes things better." So they slowed down. They mixed carefully. They waited for the bubbles to pop before flipping. When Will finally flipped a perfect golden pancake, he grinned. Patience tastes delicious. Lesson 2. Everyone adds something special. Next came omelets. Dad cracked eggs, Whitney chopped tomatoes, and Will shredded cheese. Will said proudly, "I like extra cheese." Whitney wrinkled her nose. "Too gooey." Dad chuckled. "That's the fun of cooking together. Everyone adds their own flavor." Mom nodded. "Just like in our family, each of us brings something special to the mix." Will smiled. "Then I'm the cheese, melty and fun." Whitney giggled. "And I'm the tomato, bright and bold." Dad laughed. "Then I'm the pepper, spicy but kind." Mom winked. "And I'm the salt, holding it all together." They laughed so hard the omelets almost burned. Lesson 3. Mistakes make memories. After breakfast, they decided to bake cookies. Will tried to read the recipe but added salt instead of sugar. The cookies came out puffy, pale, and salty as tears. "Oh no," Will groaned. "They're ruined." Whitney took a bite and made a face, but then smiled. "They're not ruined. They're funny cookies." Mom nodded. "Sometimes mistakes make the best memories." Dad grinned. "We'll call these salty surprise cookies. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye."